Hey everybody, so I am just practicing my making videos. I want to improve it and I just practicing all the things. I just talking and I am recording the whole stuff I know, and I see when I see a reels, I know what he is saying, how to do this thing. I run a digital marketing agency. I know what is Instagram, how it works, what is alt text. I do SEO. I know what are hashtags, what are inbounds, outbounds, blog posts, and a lot of things. When I see the reels of someone is talking about blog post, I know the whole step. But the problem is that they are earning way more because they are making content. So that's why I started making 1,000 videos to improve my content, and after that I will record a complete courses. I'm just putting the whole stuff out there. So why I'm sharing this video? I am sharing this video so that you can also start making content, because when you make content you get better. You make one video, you will remove your fear, then make second video, then make third video. You keep making new videos and just posting it. Why I'm posting it? To build my confidence, to improve my skills. I know the thing, but I don't know, I'm not executing it at that level. Marketing is everything. If the product is not good but its marketing is good, then he can do much better than a good product. So so you have to also make the content, no matter it is bad or it is ugly. If you see my video like this is not good, I don't like that. I like the videos of like the top creators or the top brands or the people I follow. I love their videos, but for that I have to work, and I don't want to waste this work as well. If I do just practicing and I'm not making the posting the videos, then this is not like a good thing. So the videos I make, every video has a problem and his solution, or there is a lot of to learn, a lot of things to learn. When I see the reels of big name, Grant Cardone, Dan Henry, Alex Hormozi, and what are they doing? They are talking about the same thing, but they get millions of views. Why? Because they have posted for a couple of years, for a long time, and market they have a lot of things. So this is for this video. If you are a beginner or you are the person who is running a business or want to grow business, subscribe to my channel and I will be making these types of videos.